This is a professional display assembly replacement guide for the iPhone. We will focus on the technical details of the teardown sequence, specifically ensuring a zero-risk migration of the fragile True Tone and Face ID sensor array. Here is the phone screen that the display is damaged. Power off the device. Unscrew the bottom screws. Remove the motherboard shield. Disconnect the display flex cables and separate the damaged old assembly. Heat the top of the screen. Once heated, remove the original camera module from the old assembly. Clean off all remaining waterproof adhesive residues from the phone frame. Apply a brand new screen waterproof adhesive tape onto the middle frame. Connect the new screen assembly and power it on to test if the display and touch functionalities work properly. Turn off the phone after a successful test, peel off the protective film inside the new screen, and install the migrated camera module. Reconnect all flex cable connectors, put back the protective shield, tighten the screws, and officially mount the screen assembly. Plug in the charger, power on, and test if the screen works perfectly. Snap the entire screen firmly into place once confirmed. Let repair be easier.